Simply Usha T, and I am back once again with another video. So what I'm going to be doing today is putting the girls on, because I've been getting so many questions about how do I make my thumbnails and what apps do I use and all of that. Well, it just depends on what type of thumbnail I'm making, because you can really use multiple different apps to make a certain thumbnail, and sometimes you only can use one app to make a thumbnail depending on what you're trying to make, right? So today I'm going to be showing you how I make my thumbnail with Canva, C-A-N-V-A. I'm probably gonna post the logo here so y'all can know what app it is. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make thumbnails today. So with that being said, we are finna get straight into the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you click the notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop a new video. Without further ado, we're finna get straight into the video.
Okay, so let's get started. So first we're going to download the Canva app. So you're gonna go to your app store, and in the search bar you're gonna type in C-A-N-V-A, and you're gonna press search. Then you're gonna wait till it load, and then you're gonna click the one where it says Canva, and it's gonna say design, photo, and videos. Once downloaded, you're gonna click open, and once the app is open, you're going to wait till it loads. Of course, sometimes it takes longer than usual, but then you're going to see Canva. Now you're going to go into the search bar, and you're going to type in YouTube thumbnails. Type in YouTube thumbnails, you're going to see a lot of thumbnails pull up, and they give you a lot of different templates that you can use to try. So these are a few templates that they are giving me, but we're not going to use that one. So you're going to go to the plus, and it's going to open a blank thumbnail, and we're going to use a blank thumbnail. But if you do decide to change your mind, they also give you options to go back to the other thumbnails that they have. So these are all the thumbnails that I could use to make me a new thumbnail for my channel, but I said I'm not going to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to elements, and then we're going to type in frames.
Keep it tight for my nigga, girl. I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical.
Click in frames, you're going to click see all, and then they give you all options to choose from, but we're going to need the square. And now we're going to make it to a rectangle and size it the way you would like. Once you get the correct sizing, then you're going to press the duplicate button, and you're just going to duplicate into 4. And once done, you're going to go to the plus sign, and you're going to go to upload and click all of the pictures that you are going to be using for this thumbnail.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed.
Once you have selected each thumbnail, then you're going to put the photos into each frame until you're done. This sometimes can be difficult, so it's always best to make sure that you are doing your frames correctly. Thumbnail is completed. I saved this thumbnail because I will be making another video with another app that you can use to put the text on there. Finish this thumbnail off. You're going to go to text, and then you're going to press add heading and type in weekly vlog, since that's the name of the thumbnail that I'm going to make. So now you're going to look for fonts, and I will show y'all the process, and I will be putting on the side of each thumbnail that I will be using for this vlog.
Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out sushi, sweet, and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four.
Now we're going to change the color of the font, And now you're going to style it the way you would like. Me personally, I did like a pinkish text. And then you're going to go to effects. And you're going to type in outline. You're going to go to outline. Click outline so you can be able to change the thickness of the text and the color of it. So boom, I went with the pink and black theme, and as you can see that I would be moving like the text around so I can like see where I would like it. So I just played with it a little bit until I actually got it down pat.
I'm not, long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, I ain't your body. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose.
Now, to basically tell what your thumbnail is about, you're going to add little small text. For me, it's going to be makeup, packages, nails, and in your city. So as you can see, I am placing each text.
Miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier right with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. Are they grow when you're not here? I'm saying I can't lose.
Can't you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove. How the faucet's running and I keep looking at you.
Now that I got the text that I want to use, you will see me doing the exact same thing that I did to the weekly vlog text. I am basically changing the color to pink and then going to effects and going to outline, clicking outline and making the thickness the way I want it and changing that to black as well. It's very easy, like I said, and now you can see me duplicating each one. That's the steps that I'm going to be doing in the rest of this video.
Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me?
When placing the text, you want to make sure you put them in perfect spots. Like, for example, for the Shein, you saw I put it at the bottom just because it says Shein packages. And then for nails, like the nails are very cute, so I put that like in the middle ways, like above the nails. And then for makeup, as you can see that I put it at the bottom as well, simply because the face shows the makeup on it, and you know, you want to put it in certain spots so that it can be very cute and different from other people's thumbnails.
Focus on me. Can you focus on me?
Everything got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out sushi sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rackets too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture boat. They look great, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the
thumbnail, now that the thumbnail is completed, I am going to go to the right corner of the thing, and it should be the third button, and you're going to press the down arrow to save this. You want to make sure it's PNG, I think that's what it's called, and you're save it to your phone. To make sure you saved it, you're going to go to photos, and as you can see, it should be the last picture, and as you can see that your photo is now saved. Yes, ma'am, the girl ate with this photo. But thank you guys for watching.